problems are too well known. We'll only come up with tangible, concrete, practical suggestions which can be achieved. Tangible, positive, achievable, concrete. ఇది చేయగలుగుతాము. Yes, please come up with such suggestions.
Prakash, CSI Henry Mary Davis School for Deaf ఆర్మూర్లో ఉంది. దాంట్లో నేను మాస్టర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. I praise and thank God for giving me this opportunity. I am indeed privileged to stand before you and to focus upon the questions and something about the hostel education program. As we know, at that time, yes, hundreds of students were educated here. They were fed, they were nurtured. We were all indeed brought up from this institution. And when we look at the present position, yes, now it is very bad because the KNH, the foreign funds have been stopped, and because of that, the children's strength has gone down. And on the other side of the coin, the government, the policies, the globalization, the UNICEF, UNO, all these agreements, they are discouraging hostel education program. The normal children need not be put in a hostel, separating him from the community and parents. So that is the thing they are discouraging. Our government officials, so the hostel education program is no more encouraged, and it is a last thing. If somebody is put in a hostel, if he doesn't have parents, if he is an orphan or if he is disabled, if the child is disabled or orphan, then only they can put the child in the hostel, but not the normal children. If he has his parents and they are not supposed to separate the child from their parents and from the community. The child need to be brought up in his own community. That is the thing. Now the trends are changing day by day. So what I suggest is that we need to reach out the unreached population. There are so many children, like orphans are there, street children are there, disabled children are there. The government is not running any institutions on par with the normal children for such children. Let us help the real deserving child. The Wesleyan, now there will be 10, and after tomorrow the hostel will be closed. Where is the need now? We have to think. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ పడితే ఎక్కడ there are English medium schools, welfare hostels ఉన్నాయి. సో అప్పట్లాగా ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రెంత్ ఉండాలంటే కుదరని పని. మనం చేసేదల్లా ఇక్కడ ఇంకా మన ఎవరైతే డిజర్వింగ్గా ఉన్నారో పిల్లలు వాళ్ళకు హెల్ప్ చేయడం, ఎవరైతే పిల్లలు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకు హెల్ప్ చేయడం మంచిది అని నా యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
My name is Anand Amritraj from 1990 10th class. The positive thing about this meeting is we are going to form the organization. That is they decided mentally. That is there. The immediate thing, the very immediate urgent issue has to be addressed is the hostel has to be set right.
Yes.
We don't have the furniture, we don't have the beds which we used to sleep, we don't have the desks, and in the dining hall also the tables are very old. Somewhere, some part we can immediately go, get the things done before forming or what are the funds we collect. So some action can be moved from this. That is the immediate thing what I can suggest.
Philanthropy, helping, so nowadays people are calling it a social gospel. Of course it is needed, but salvation centered thing is there, and the salvation is based on, not based, out of salvation we have the philanthropy. So what I mean to say is, unless we don't have a paradigm shift in our minds that the salvation is through us to the world. It is carried forward through us to the world. So that is how we are passing the love of Christ to other communities. But where we are blocked is, we don't think in that, from that perspective. We say, no, the world is temporal, so we need not to, concentrate on social issues. So we drop it out. So now let us focus on what Jesus was referring to in Matthew 5th chapter and also in 25th chapter. So now let us change our belief system that we have been made, appointed, anointed to bring change. There is I am unable to recollect the Hebrew word, but I'll translate it. Tikkun olam. Tikkun olam is a Hebrew word which says repairing the world under God. Repairing the world under God. So that should be our vision. And we all have been studied and we have been vested with good knowledge and wisdom because of our institution. So now let us try to change the belief system and then we can go forward. And towards the helping thing, I would like to first start, let us all start, endowment body first. And then if that is there, then we can work freely. Thank you.
KNH scholarship. And when I told my son that I have studied in a KNH scholarship and I am sort of from village, and none of my brothers were educated, my son, without telling me, he started sponsoring 2 children through the World Vision. And without knowing, my younger son started sponsoring 1 World Vision child. So in our family, we of telling is not to glorify myself, but had there been any sponsorship association of Wesley students or Wesley, we would have done that. We would have done through this association. So my association sponsoring children. And let us forget about the integrity of the people, faithfulness, the structures. You will not solve the problem. If you continue to depend upon these people, and when we came, we do not know that all people, all wardens, all teachers were not perfect people. But even then, God, through the channelizing of His grace, helped us, many of us, to experience this life. He proclaimed liberty to the captives. So we were captives, we were socially bound, and God has helped us to come out. So let us not go into the nitty-gritty and find out who is who, what is his political intention, please do not go into that. Try to do something immediately, and sponsorship association where each of us who is committed to this vision of Wesley Hostel and to be the salt and light which Jesus taught us. If we are interested, we can contribute and we can immediately distribute that amount to the needy children within our hostel only. We need not be confined only to the scholarship. We can meet many other requirements. So likewise, many people will be able to give many advices. I don't want to take all the time. I want to give opportunity to many other people. But if I had in the mind that their Wesley is having an association, my entire family would have been involved there. So therefore, it is my humble request that we'll have something where each of us, unless it pinches you, the love is not real. Unless it pinches your pocket, the love is not real. And let us not forget about who is misusing what. So please let us contribute and form an association. Call it by any name. I am least bothered. As long as it is going to help people who are in need, who are in villages like me, and if somebody would not have come to me and taken me to this, I would not have been in this position today. What I am is by God's grace and to the instrumentalities God has chosen. CSI Church, Wesley Boys Hostel, Wesley School. These were the instrumentalities, and the people who worked there, irrespective of who were there, they were all instrumentalities, and let us be those people in this generation, become the instrumentalities of God to give this grace to the people who are going to come in the next generation. Thank you very much.
association. All the brothers of Wesley Boys, different batches have gathered here before. They came out with some program, but some of them were successful in getting hold of the people, their batches and other batches. నేను కూడా ఈ యొక్క వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెంబర్స్, బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ పార్టిసిపేటెడ్ ఇన్ ద arguments or discussions or anything. When I came down here, I was with two minds. అంటే మనమందరం కూడా వెస్లీ బాయ్స్లో చదివినటువంటి విద్యార్థులుగా బ్రదర్స్గా ఇక్కడ కూడుకొని ఉన్నాం టు చెరిష్ అవర్ మెమరీస్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ గెయిన్డ్ హియర్. అది ఒకటి. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమందికి ఉండొచ్చు, నన్ను కొంతమంది అడిగారు, ఇది కూడా ఇంతకుముందు లాగానే ఒక ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా ఏదో ఒకటి కలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఏదో డొనేషన్స్ రేజ్ చేయాలి, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా పొలిటికల్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో జరుగుతుందా అని కొంతమంది క్వశ్చన్ చేశారు. బట్ వాట్ ఐ ఫీల్ టుడే ఈజ్, ఐ థింక్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ మస్ట్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ది డౌట్. ఈరోజు మనం ఇక్కడ the way in which it was started, the candle was lit by Mr. David, and Gnana Prasad and his friends have taken over and organized this beautiful meeting and gathered so many people of this Wesley Boys Hostel. But ee roju manamandaram ikkada unnanduku, of course they have Mr. Stevenson and others, they came out with a beautiful preamble, a draft to go further so that we can help the younger generation who are unreached, who are underprivileged. మరి ఈ రోజుల్లో మిస్టర్ సూర్యప్రకాష్ చెప్పినట్టుగా ప్రతి విలేజ్లో కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ ఉంది. పిల్లలందరూ కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు. పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ప్రతి వారు కూడా, ఈవెన్ ఇన్ సిటీస్, ఈవెన్ ఎ రిక్షా పుల్లర్ సన్, దే వాంట్ టు జాయిన్ దెమ్ ఇన్ నారాయణ or శ్రీ చైతన్య జస్ట్ బికాస్ దే సీ దేర్ ర్యాంక్స్. But there are so many people who are underprivileged and they are not able to afford to go into such schools. ఇప్పుడు హాస్టల్ని రివైవ్ చేయాలంటే మనమందరం కూడా తెలంగాణ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ నుంచి, వేరే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ నుంచి కూడా కొంతమంది వచ్చి ఉంటారు, రిమోట్ విలేజెస్ నుంచి కూడా వచ్చారు. There are so many people who are underprivileged. They don't have the facilities, they don't have the resources, the parents are not able to feed them or give them or nurture them. So my humble request and recommendation is that wherever you are, if you find any person who is unable to pursue his studies or who is unable to live a better life in the family, identify such people. And as we have decided, of course, I think everybody agree that we are going to decide about this body who will be governing or administering in a transparent way, without giving any color to this. We should not give any color to the organization that is going to be formed. I only appeal to each one of you, if you know anybody in your particular locality or nearby villages, identify such persons, recommend their name, so and so people, so and so person in the so and so village is deprived of so many things, so we can help them in some way or the other, either by sponsoring his studies or sponsoring their family, or there may be some people who are suffering with prolonged diseases. For such people there is no medical ailment. So for such people, if you identify and recommend their names to the committee, I think whatever amount that we are going to pool and that assistance may be given to them. And not only that, దయచేసి ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మనమందరం కూడా ఒక క్లియర్ మైండ్తో వెళ్ళాలి. వెస్లీ బాయ్స్ ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అసోసియేషన్ ఏదైతే ఫామ్ అయిందో, ఇది ఏదో ఒక ఉద్దేశంతో, సెల్ఫిష్ మోటివ్తో ప్రారంభించబడిందని అనుకోవద్దని నేను అందరికీ అప్పీల్ చేస్తూ నాకు ఇచ్చినటువంటి అవకాశం బట్టి థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I am in agreement with Brother Satyanandam. ఈ సహజమే ప్రశ్నలు వస్తాయి, ఇది ఇంకొక పొలిటికల్ అవుట్ఫిట్. At least what I have mentioned in the papers which have been circulated to all of you is that this is a apolitical association. It will be happening under the banner of Wesley Boys Hospital Alumni Association. Okay?
I'd like to intervene.
Just a minute. Let me complete.
After you
Let me complete. Where in the world is associated with the parent body. The parent body only has one representative in the alumni association. You can check the preambles of any constitution of any alumni association. Okay? This is what I wanted to say. Yes, sir.
This has nothing to do with CSI. I'm very proud to be a CSI. Because, let me tell you, let me also remind you that CSI is the only church which is the largest united church on the face of this universe. And being a part of it, I am very proud of it. Being the member of CSI. So, is my privilege. Because Father John Wesley is the father of the Protestants. So, the Christianity which has come from the ages, Catholicism, and from the we have come out, and the father of the Protestants is none other than John Wesley. And being a Protestant, I feel proud to say that I am a Wesleyan. So, I will not go into that deep or into the ages of the history, but I'd like to put my opinion in front of you is CSI, Wesley or Methodist. Church of South India consists of 24 or 25 dioceses today, which is the largest and the united church. And Methodist is the largest and the blessed diocese. But today, the Methodist, okay, due to the mismanagement or the forethought or due to the lack of vision, it might have come to a depreciation stage or whatever you call it. But as the Wesleyans, we have gathered here, none here sitting is an ordinary person. Everyone is an intellectual here in their own capacity. So, why not we bring the past glory back to the Wesley or the Wesleyan, as the Germans, they are not able to, as they are having their own problems, they are not able to give the scholarships. As enjoyed the Kane scholarships, and we have gained the status in the society, and we have been blessed by the Lord God Almighty. Why not we sponsor our own children from our, why not we become the foster parents to our own children? And this has been announced in the churches for the past so many years. But to our dismay and to our inefficiency, today the strength of the Wesleyan hostel is 72. Is it not a shame on our part?
Of course. But whose efficiency you are asking?
Inefficiency of the vision. So, what I say is, I humbly request and I humbly put forward my opinion in front of the intellectual people, intellectual Wesleyans, saying that why not we have a draft? Yes, definitely the intellectual Annas have already drafted a roadmap for the upliftment of the diocese, set a earmark some life membership of 5,000 and 1,000 for monthly subscription. definitely, why not this corpus fund run into nearly 2 or 3 crores? The corpus fund should be not less than 1 to 2 crores, what I believe. Because, see, the 10% మనము ఇయ్యాలా దేవునికి అని చెప్పేసి 10వ వంతు మనం దేవునికి ఇయ్యాలా అని చెప్పేసి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మనం నేర్పబడ్డాం. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం, వై నాట్ వి గివ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 2 or 3% ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ ఓన్ earnings for the upliftment of our own institutions, by which we are here, standing here or talking here, or we are enjoying our life. So, Anna, being a very small person in front of you, taking an opportunity to just grabbed an opportunity, rather I've not given an opportunity, I've grabbed an opportunity to talk in front of all the intellectual people. So my contribution, because I think my pocket permits me to give you 1,000 rupees. Anna, my first contribution to you is 1,000 rupees, my subscription. So I happily, I thank you all for listening so wonderfully and so patiently, rather, okay? Anna. Anna, atla kodta annadu